These are the elevators at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott in Schaumburg, Illinois. They're ThyssenKrupp Synergy. And we get this one first. Going up to 5. And the door close button works. I like that. Here we go. These are my first Synergies in a long time, actually. Here are 5. Gonna one arm. And here we go. Very smooth startup. Here at 1. We'll send this one away. Watch this one leave. Up, and here's this one. We're gonna cab view now. This is a very nice elevator, similar to ones in the Spring Hill, or Fairfield Inn, excuse me. There are fixtures, MAD BS, hands-free 80 code client phone, capacity 3,500 pounds, 5 hours operation, inspection certificate, ThyssenKrupp elevator, and of course, your lantern. And look up the shaft. You can tell these are Synergy. So you can see some of the shaft there. Watch this. It has a ThyssenKrupp chime trick. Glad it's still around. Maybe we'll watch the button go out. Here are 1. And here's your certificate. There goes and. That's it.